Don't ignore tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen fruits to eat before it's too late. Have your hands ever felt numb when you wake up, like pins and needles that won't go away? Or your legs feel weak, like they might give out when you stand? It might seem small, until one day you're grabbing the wall just to stay upright. For many over 65, these are more than aches. They're warnings, quiet signals your body is changing, and not for the better. And with that change comes a scary thought. Is this the beginning of losing my independence? Most think it's just age. But what if your body is missing something? Something that holds your strength together and helps keep you balanced? And what if the fix isn't in a pill, but in a fruit? Yes, a simple fruit, probably sitting in your kitchen right now. One of these fruits is so powerful, scientists call it a collagen trigger, yet 99% of seniors have no idea it exists. This fruit can help support your joints, muscles, and nerves. And when you start eating it, you may actually feel the difference. So what's really happening? It's not just poor circulation. The real issue? Collagen loss. It's the glue that keeps you strong. But after 50, your body loses it rapidly. By 60 or 70, that loss shows up as weakness, tingling, stiffness. But no one tells you it's connected. Here's the good news. You don't need fancy powders or expensive treatments. Nature already gave us a solution. Powerful fruits that help your body rebuild collagen, naturally, and yet almost no one knows about them. Could a fruit you've ignored for years be the key to pain-free legs and stronger joints? What if your body could start healing in days just by eating the right one? Well, today you'll find out. Now let's jump right into fruit number 1, guava, the vitamin C powerhouse. Your joints are begging for you. Might think oranges are the best source of vitamin C, but guava quietly beats them all. In fact, just one guava has more than double the vitamin C of an orange, and that matters because vitamin C is what your body uses to make collagen. Without enough of it, your joints stay stiff, your skin loses elasticity, and your muscles can't repair as fast. But here's the kicker. Most seniors aren't just low on vitamin C, they're drastically deficient, and they don't even know it. What science says, one study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed guava daily showed better skin structure and reduced inflammation, both signs of higher collagen activity. How to eat it right? The best way? Eat it raw with the peel. That's where most of the nutrients are. Slice it, sprinkle a little black salt or lemon for flavor, and enjoy it as a snack. What to avoid? Don't boil it, and avoid canned or overly processed guava products. They kill the vitamin C. And if you're diabetic, stick to small portions. Guava has natural sugar, but portion control is key. Quick recap. If your joints feel stiff, your skin's getting thinner, or you're just tired of feeling sore, a simple guava a day might help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Number 2, kiwi, the tiny green fruit that fuels big repair. If guava surprised you, kiwi might shock you. This small fuzzy fruit is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, even more than oranges. And vitamin C is exactly what your body needs to kickstart collagen production. The protein that keeps your joints strong, your skin firm, and your muscles supported. But there's more. Kiwi also delivers vitamin E, antioxidants, and enzymes that help your body absorb nutrients better, making every bite more effective for healing. What science says, according to advances in food and nutrition research, kiwi has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major blockers that quietly destroy collagen and age your joints from the inside out. How to eat it right? Don't peel it. The skin is packed with fiber and antioxidants. Just rinse it, slice it, and enjoy. You can also blend it into a smoothie with leafy greens for an even stronger boost. What to avoid? Stay away from kiwi-flavored drinks or processed snacks. They usually contain added sugar and very little real fruit. Also, avoid combining kiwi with dairy immediately, as it can limit the effectiveness of kiwi's enzymes. Why it matters: if your knees feel stiff or your muscles recover slower than they used to, your collagen levels may be slipping. Kiwi could be the easy, natural fix your body's been waiting for. Number 3, papaya, the enzyme-rich fruit that fights inflammation. Papaya doesn't get the attention it deserves, but it's one of the most powerful collagen-boosting fruits out there. Why? Because it's packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and most importantly, papain, a natural enzyme that breaks down tough proteins and helps your body digest and absorb nutrients better. This matters because poor digestion equals poor collagen repair. What science says, research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that papaya's enzymes help reduce chronic inflammation, one of the silent causes of joint stiffness, swelling, and even muscle breakdown. In simple terms, when inflammation goes down, your body can finally rebuild what's broken. How to eat it right. Choose ripe papaya. It should have a slight give when pressed. Eat it raw, blend it into smoothies, or squeeze fresh lime juice over slices for better taste and added vitamin C. What to avoid? Don't go for canned or sweetened papaya. Those versions are often stripped of enzymes and loaded with sugar, which damages collagen instead of supporting it. Why it matters? If your hands feel swollen or your legs ache after walking, the inflammation inside might be worse than you think. Papaya can help cool it down, naturally. Number 4. Pineapple, the natural inflammation fighter. That swelling in your knees, that stiffness in your fingers. Sometimes it's not just age, it's chronic inflammation slowly wearing down your joints. And pineapple might just be nature's way of calming the fire. Why it helps? Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces swelling and helps your body absorb nutrients, including collagen-building amino acids, more effectively. What science says? A study published in Clinical Rheumatology found that people with osteoarthritis who took bromelain regularly experienced a 41% reduction in joint pain and stiffness without using painkillers. How to eat it right. Fresh is best. Eat a few chunks after meals or blend it into smoothies. Pro tip: pineapple is especially helpful after exercise or physical therapy to ease soreness. What to avoid? Canned pineapple with syrup. The added sugar cancels out the benefits. Also, don't overeat. Too much can irritate the mouth due to its acidity. Why it matters? By calming inflammation, pineapple helps your body create the perfect environment for collagen to rebuild, making it easier to move, bend, and feel strong again. Number 5. Blueberry, the tiny fruit with big collagen power. They might be small, but blueberries pack a huge punch when it comes to protecting and rebuilding your body's collagen. Why it helps? Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful compounds that prevent collagen breakdown and boost your body's natural repair process. These compounds help shield joints, skin, and connective tissue from damage caused by aging and inflammation. What science says: a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that blueberry antioxidants help preserve collagen structure, especially in aging adults, by fighting off the free radicals that weaken joint tissues over time. How to eat it right. Eat them raw, or toss a handful into your breakfast oats or smoothies. Just half a cup a day can make a noticeable difference over time. What to avoid? Skip the dried or sugar-coated versions. They lose nutrients and are loaded with additives. Stick to fresh or frozen for full benefits. Why it matters. If your legs feel weaker or your hands less steady, blueberries could be the missing link between pain and repair, giving your body the natural edge it needs. Number 6. Mango, the juicy booster. Your joints may be missing. Mangoes aren't just delicious. They're secretly loaded with nutrients that your aging joints crave. Why it helps? Mangoes contain a unique mix of vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants, all crucial for stimulating collagen production and protecting connective tissues from wear and tear. They're also rich in beta-carotene, which helps reduce inflammation, especially around the joints. What science says: one clinical review in Frontiers in Plant Science noted that the compounds in mangoes not only promote collagen synthesis, but also help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor in joint degeneration. How to eat it right. The best time to enjoy mangoes is in the morning or before lunch. Keep it fresh, slice it up, and eat it raw. A few pieces go a long way. What to avoid? Don't mix mango with heavy meals or dairy, and avoid store-bought mango drinks. They're mostly sugar, not nutrients. Why it matters. If your knees creak or your legs feel weak, mango might just be the natural lift your collagen needs to keep you moving with ease. Number 7. Strawberries. The sweet protector of your joints. Strawberries might look delicate, but don't let their soft appearance fool you. They're one of the most powerful anti-aging fruits when it comes to your joints and collagen. Why it helps. Strawberries are rich in ellagic acid, a natural compound that helps prevent collagen breakdown caused by UV rays, inflammation, and even blood sugar spikes. They also pack a punch of vitamin C, which your body must have to produce fresh collagen. What science says. A study in Nutrients Journal revealed that eating berries, especially strawberries, was associated with better mobility, stronger bones, and reduced joint stiffness in older adults. How to eat it right. Eat them raw, preferably on an empty stomach or in a bowl with other low-sugar fruits. Frozen strawberries are fine too. Just skip any with added sugar or syrup. What to avoid. Avoid canned or sugar-coated versions. And don't combine them with heavy creams or desserts, which counteract the fruit's benefits. Why it matters. If you're struggling with creaky knees or aching joints, strawberries might be the natural shield your collagen needs to stay strong. Number 8. Oranges, the classic vitamin C powerhouse with a hidden bonus. You've heard oranges are great for immunity, but most people don't realize. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't make collagen at all. Why it helps. Vitamin C acts like the foreman on your collagen construction crew. It helps assemble collagen fibers and repair tissues that are breaking down with age. What science says, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher vitamin C intake was directly linked to better muscle strength and reduced skin aging in older adults, both tied to collagen levels. How to eat it right. Fresh oranges or cold-pressed orange juice in the morning are ideal. Even just one medium orange a day gives you over 100% of your vitamin C needs. What to avoid. Avoid processed orange juices with added sugars or from concentrate labels. They spike blood sugar and reduce collagen protective benefits. Why it matters. Think of oranges as the key that unlocks your body's ability to rebuild itself. From your skin to your knees to your connective tissues. Who knew nature's sweetest treats could secretly rebuild your joints? Yes, the juicy papaya, the tangy kiwi, the vibrant strawberry. These aren't just snacks. They're natural medicine, healing from the inside out. Forget expensive treatments and risky procedures. These fruits have been strengthening bodies long before modern medicine stepped in. And science is finally catching up. The stiffness, the tingling, the weakness. They don't have to define your days. Not when nature offers a way out. Your body hasn't given up. It's just been waiting for the right support, and that support could be sitting in your kitchen right now. Now it's your turn. Which fruit surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments, and if you've already started feeling a difference, we'd love to hear your story. And if this helped you or someone you care about, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell. It truly supports the channel, so you never miss a moment that could change your health. Because your comeback doesn't need a miracle, just a moment, a choice, a fruit.